Is Riot Client still running after you close Valorant or League? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you how to stop it for good. First, close your Riot game normally. Then look at the bottom right of your screen, on the Windows taskbar, near the clock. Click the small up arrow to open the hidden icons. If you still see the Riot logo here, that means it's running in the background. You can right-click the Riot icon and hit exit to close it for now, but that's only temporary. Let's fix this properly so Riot Client doesn't launch itself after you're done playing. Step 1. Open Riot Client directly from your desktop or start menu so we can change its settings. Inside Riot Client, look for the small gear icon in the top right corner. Click it to open Settings. In Settings, go to the General tab. Find the option that says something like Run Client in the background or Keep Client Open after closing game. Turn this setting OFF. This stops Riot Client from staying open once you close your games. Next, on Windows, right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. Or press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. In Task Manager, click the Startup tab. Look for anything named Riot Client or Riot Vanguard, then right-click and choose Disable. Now when you close your Riot games, the client shouldn't hang around in the background. Like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more quick PC fixes.